We live in such a beautiful world, but we need to get rid of the root of all evil. This world where we live in now, you know something like that. This world where we live in now, I could just use that. This world where we live in now, think that can work, don't it? This world where we live in now, yeah man, I like that. This world where we live in man heart a get sour like vinegar. Man a shoot man in a broad daylight. Me woulda think say me out of the cinema. This world where we live in many make promises, few deliver. Everybody want be the head of the game, nobody don't want be the beginner. This world where we live in conscience a get colder than refrigerator. And instead of man help you to score your goal, him woulda rather try break your tibia. This world where we live in food a waste while some them not see dinner. Every frivolous news make the headline. Can't tell when last me hear about Syria. World where we live in this 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 world where we live in the heart of mankind get wickeder. Man a bowl you out and a no cricket. It's legal fi kill a baby before he deliver. This world where we live in me can't waste me time, not a minute. Them amplify all of this slackness when me start preach, them turn on the limiter. This world where we live in it's about the Benz and the Beamer. A man will do anything just to drive one because him no hype enough to drive a Privia. This world where we live in I will probably never get big enough, cause until the day me return to the dust, I'll always be a Christian believer. World where we live in this 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 world where we live in God have mercy upon the world that we live in repent for the world that we live in forgive us our worship in the Almighty, the Lord.